The local share market closed in positive territory. It got off to a good start on optimism that European banks will be bailed out. The hopes boosted the prices of commodities like oil and copper. That drove increases in resources and energy stocks locally. The All Ords rose by 3.5%. The ASX 200 saw similar gains, up 3.6%. Across the region, Asian markets are mixed. Commodities are stronger. And the Australian dollar is buying around 96 US cents. Apple shares have remained on hold following the death of the company's co-founder, Steve Jobs. Shares went on to a trading halt on Wall Street before the announcement. They last traded at $378 US a share. The former Treasury Secretary, Ken Henry, has been appointed to the board of the National Australia Bank. Mr Henry will serve as a non-executive director on the bank's board from November. He's also an advisor to Prime Minister Julia Gillard. He retired from Treasury earlier this year after 10 years in the job. And there was a wave of protests in Manhattan today against Wall Street greed. The protests are being staged by the group Occupy Wall Street, who say corrupt financial groups and the government's bailouts have driven the majority of US citizens into difficulty. 800 people were arrested during similar protests on the weekend.